Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. This video will show you how you can add a stylish or like a customized or good looking watermark. So let's jump right into the video. So let's go to text and add a text. Now you can use a logo as well. And if you're curious to learn how you can add a logo, a watermark with an image, please let me know in the comment section. But for now, I'll use a text. And here, I'll write how to browser. Let's suppose this is the watermark. Now I'll delete this video actually. 1 second, and choose actually this. Okay, just look online on some green screen image. You can also create this in Photoshop, but you can also, as I said, download this green screen from the internet, right? Okay, and we have here the text, and from here you can go to font, and here add your favorite font. I'll use this one. And now I'll add some preset style. Okay, and also you can also drag, like if you drag, you can drag to navigate here. Now you can change the size, do what you want, but you just have to export now this video. So export this video, and then I'll show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, and now what you can do is let's add our video. We're gonna add our watermark to this video. At least that's what I'm gonna do. And now please import the video we just exported, and let's drag our video here and add our watermark. Okay, let's go to cut out, enable chroma key, color picker, and increase the strength. And now if you go here to blend, you can add an overlay, and that's I would call it stylized, customized watermark that is not very visible but looks interesting, at least I should say. You can also play with, you can also like if you can play with the blend, you can also use hard surface, but I think you can always liner burn or multiply, or you can, this looks nice as well, but you can also decrease the opacity if it's too visible, right, from here. But if you want to last the watermark, you want to last for the entire video, then just Control V, Control C, Control V, so you can duplicate it. So I hope this tutorial helped you. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.